Hi guys! Today's video, we're going to talk about the latest from Detail Cosmetics, yung kanilang glass stain. And guys, it's quite different from what I was expecting. So, yung Detail Cosmetics glass stain, it's a hydrating serum stain that gives high impact color with a healthy looking sheen. So, it's vegan, cruelty-free, enriched with vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and jojoba oil. So, it has high shine, non-sticky, long-lasting stain, and moisturizing. So, pag bumili ka, the packaging looks like this. It's plastic. So, eto pala yung packaging. I suggest, bago mo gamitin yung product, you guys, halukayin mo ng very, very slight. Oh, medyo mahalukay naman siya. And then you do this. First shade, we have Naked. Sabi, si Naked daw ay Almond Beige. So, this is Naked, and you guys, first application pa lang, makikita mo na yung stain. Hindi siya yung parang other lip glosses na like super sheer. This one talaga is my tint. Hindi naman siya singkapal ng liquid lipstick gaya nung FS Cosmetics na lip gloss. It's not like that. Hindi siya ganun ka-shiny, shimmering, splendid like I hope it would be. Para lang talaga siyang may sheen, pero I really hoped na, alam mo yun, medyo glossy talaga siya. But anyway, preference lang naman yun. Hindi naman nila chinika na like, it's going to be like super oily glossy. Sheen lang naman talaga yung chinika nila. But yeah, this is Naked. Next, we have the shade Thirsty. Thirsty is warm terracotta. So, eto si Thirsty compared kay Naked. And on my lips, it is obviously a little bit deeper than Naked. Pero here's the thing though, yung magiging stain niya will depend on the base color of your lips. If you have pigmented lips na, the more it's going to be deeper. Pero if you have pale lips, the more na medyo lilitaw yung kanilang difference. But yeah, this is Thirsty. The stain is there. Next, we have Bitten. That's just the packaging. Here is Bitten. Diba? Super red. Bitten daw is a muted deep berry. So here's Bitten on my lips, you guys, and obviously it's like the deepest shade. And I must say, siya yung parang pinakamagandang shade for me. And I think lahat sila is universally flattering, pero this one is, I think, will suit everybody. So yeah, this is Bitten. Okay guys, so done with the lip swatch. Now you have to hear my very quick review. Wait. Okay, dun muna ako sa con bago tayo sa pros. Sa con, depende lang naman sa preference ko ha. I was a bit sad kasi hindi siya like the glossy, like Vice Cosmetics glossy I hope it would be. Hindi siya like yung super, hindi siya yung lip gloss. It's just a lip sheen. Alam mo yun, a very pigmented, tinted lip sheen. So, it's not lip gloss. If you're looking for the kumain ng lechon effect, this is not it. So, medyo nasad lang ako sa part na yun kasi in-expect ko nga glossy siya. And another con pala is, mabilis mawala yung sheen, mabilis mawala yung parang shiny shimmering splend. Kakarampot na nga lang, mabilis pa mawalay. Parang in less than 2 hours, stain na lang ang matitira, wala ng sheen. Depende pa sa mga gagawin mo, no? Kung ikaw ay iinom, kung ikaw kakain, syunggal na talaga yung sheen na yan. Stain na lang talaga yung may iwan. So alam mo yun, wag natin masyadong asahan yung glossy, shiny shimmering effect niya. It's non-existent. Pero eto ka na nga, mapunta tayo sa pros. Ang kailangan mo sigurong pagtuunan ng pansin dito, is yung stain. Nag-iiwan siya ng bonggang-bonggang stain, you guys. A very pigmented, opaque stain, lalo na itong si Bitten. Etong kay Naked, may stain, but it's not that powerful. Etong si Thirsty, yung stain niya is medyo may very slight orangey, burnt orange effect. Hindi ko siya favorite. I'm not into burnt oranges nowadays. So, lang sa akin si Thirsty. Pero etong si Bitten it's this one. It's the ultimate pigment. It's the ultimate stain. And dito ka maluluka day. So, kapag hinayaan mo siyang mag-set on your lips for probably 10 to 15 minutes, the longer the better, na wala kang ginagawa. You see that? Very minimal transfer. Very minimal transfer. Hindi siya like 100% kiss-proof, transfer-proof pero minimal yung transfer. At pag ginawa mo yun, dye, wala na yung sheen dye. Tint na lang ang natitira dye. Pero pag kumain ka, pag uminom ka, mababawasan siya eventually. It's not the most powerful, but dye, it's the most pigmented. Like, so kung tatanungin mo ako, do I recommend it? Yes, I do recommend it for the lip stain. Pero if you're looking for a glossy, shiny, shimmering, no, it's not. Di yun ang kanyang forte. Ang forte niya talaga is the lip stain. So ngayon pa lang, sasabihin ko na I do recommend it because it's just $199 and then you get this stain. Forget the first 2 shades. Go rekta na for Bitten. You don't have to get all of the shades. Well, depende sa'yo kung may pera ka naman at kung gusto mong kolektahin lahat. Pero ako, siguro I would just get Bitten. See, dahil look at Bitten. Hindi ka mabibitten sa Bitten. Now, I have yet to test kung gano'n siya ka-long-lasting pag kumain ka. Na-test ko siya nung uminom ako ng kape, pero uminom lang naman ako ng kape, alam mo yun. Kumain ako ng biskwit. Pero hindi ko pa siya na-test in like full-blown meal. And that is what we're going to do next. And again, this is just for Bitten. It's the most powerful among the 3. So yeah, let's head to the wear test. Okay guys, ito na yung kanyang final na itsura. Not that bad, no? Not that bad. Again, this is just for the Bitten. I'm not sure about the first 2 shades na obviously lighter than Bitten. And full pa ko talagang in-apply si Bitten. So imagine nyo lang, if lesser ko in-apply, mas mabilis mawawala. And if the lighter yung tint, mas mabilis siyang mawawala. Pero yeah, overall okay naman, diba? I am shook. So it's the shade Bitten for me. So yeah, that completes this video guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Abangan nyo yung susunod natin. It's about skincare, but it's not your typical skincare. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!